Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF, US dollar Swiss franc. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CHF in front of us right now, and as we all know, there is a huge bullish uptrend going on the chart of USD CHF. Just look at the uptrend here. So if we just look at the overall trend of the market, then the overall trend is quite confusing here, and it looks like the market is in sideways because see, previously market was trading in a narrow range. After that there was a sharp move, and again there was some downtrend, again there is an uptrend. Okay, so if you look at the overall chart of USD CHF, then you will not get a proper picture or clear picture about the chart. But if you just focus on the particular chart here, then we cannot deny the fact that this market is extremely bullish right now. It means that number of buyers are much higher in comparison to number of sellers. The market is heavily bullish, and whenever we see market condition like this, then we should always follow the trend. We should always follow the trend, because if you short the market here, then you may get trapped. If there are 100 traders present here, then at least 90 traders are buyers and only 10 are on the selling side. Therefore, you should always follow the trend of the 90 buyers here, because if you take a short position here, then there is a good possibility that you will end up losing your hard-earned money. And the thumbnail of the market also says the same thing: follow the trend. Follow the trend means, if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And this market is undoubtedly bullish, therefore only buying opportunities. And if we go to the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find the Forex sentiment meter on my website avilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you go to the Forex sentiment meter here, and USD CHF, yeah, here is USD CHF. See, 76% retail traders have taken short position and 23% retail traders have taken long position. Or in simple words, 76% retail traders are expecting that market was about to go down, and 23% were expecting that market was about to go up. And this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because they always stand against the trend of the market. Okay, in this uptrend market, 76% retail traders were hoping or expecting that market would be going down, and right now they are in huge losses. And that's why I always request you that you should always trade with proper analysis. Okay, so this is the overall picture right now. Okay, so what we should do, okay, for the strategy here, for the strategy here, we must understand that US dollar has got direct impact on the chart of USD CHF. If USD is up, USD CHF is also up. If US dollar is down, then USD CHF is also down. And if you look at the DXY chart here, this is the US dollar index chart, then you can see that this chart also looks very much similar to the chart of USD CHF. And right now you can see that USD is just standing at the resistance. Undoubtedly, US dollar is also extremely bullish, and as a result, USD CHF was also extremely bullish. But right now, US dollar is just standing at a resistance here. And if we go to the daily chart on the DXY here, we can see the same. You can see that US dollar is just standing at resistance. Undoubtedly, market is very bullish, but as there is a resistance, there is a good possibility that market may go down or market may reverse. So if US dollar starts going down from here, then USD CHF will also start going down from here. And as you can see that USD CHF is also about to reach its resistance level. Therefore, these things are very similar. Okay, so and if you follow only one chart, US dollar chart, then you can easily trade on USDCHF because they are directly related. Okay, so mainly you should keep your eyes on the chart of US dollar DXY chart. That's it. Okay, so what should be your strategy? Your strategy is simple. Okay, just keep your eyes on the dollar index chart. If you see dollar index going down, DXY going down, then you can short the market. Okay, just let me remind you. Okay, if you do not want to take any risk, if you are a complete beginner and if you are still in a learning phase, then you can avoid, because see, overall the trend is extremely bullish. Overall the trend is extremely bullish. If you cannot afford to lose right now, then you should not take any trade, because forex market right now or today is kind of messy. Okay, therefore please avoid forex for today. And you can see that generally I do not recommend a sell if a market is an uptrend, but this US dollars resistance is quite a strong one. Therefore, if you want to take a risk here, then you can short the market, short USDCHF if US dollar starts going down from here. Just keep in mind, if you can afford to take risk, then only take the risk. If you cannot, then just avoid it. Plain and simple. And please follow proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's a request. Okay, please do not risk more than 2 to 4% of your trading capital. Okay, and on the other hand, if you see that dollar getting bullish or dollar getting crossing this level, still do not go for buy, because US dollar is already in the overbought zone. Listen to me carefully. In case you see that dollar is crossing this resistance, still do not go for a buy, because dollar is already in the overbought zone. Then just avoid USD CHF. Okay, wait for 1 day or 2 days. I'll be telling you tomorrow what you need to do or what should be your next strategy or next course of action. Okay, if it reverses from here, then only short term market if you can afford to take risk. If you are a beginner, if you are a new trader, then just avoid. That's it. Because right now market is extremely bullish. Taking a huge risk will be a foolish one. Okay, so no need to do anything. Market is not good right now. Things are not very beautiful and simple. Okay, so be very careful. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood what is going on the chart of USD CHF. So thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See ya tomorrow again. Bye bye.